Yeah, that. Yeah.
Colton, you're okay. Look, you can see it. It's flat. There you go.
I do want to go to the regular beach. What time is it?
I don't know. I haven't checked.
Okay, I'll go.
Here,
Yeah. I want to walk over because Jupiter Beach is right there. You can walk there from here.
really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Because I know that this is fun, but they haven't really been to the beach. But I'll wait for Kat to get back. Where you guys going? You want to go on the bridge? All right. Come on, Abby. Let's go on the bridge. Come on. Let's go. We're going to go up on the bridge. Come on. You okay? Rocks in the sand. Come on. Let's move it. I like to move it, move it. That's not the ocean, that's the intercoastal. The ocean is over there. See? And here, yep, it's not a speedboat, but it's a boat. Okay, guys. Yep. Yeah. Hey. Hey. When I was your age, Jameson, they used to jump in off this bridge.
Colton.
Just like Colton's gonna do. It's not very deep right now, though. Come on. Hold hands. There's my wife, Catherine. Catherine. She's on the phone. Somebody. You. Yeah, if you look that way, you can see the beach from the bridge. This is right at the end of the intercoastal. You see it? Yeah. Yep. You jump. You ready? You ready, Abby? 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. All right. We can't jump off that one. It says no jumping or diving. The doctor. I do not know. Oh. You're a talker, huh? Yeah. Someone's gonna dig in there? You guys can build sandcastles in here, huh? Yeah, that could be a problem, I guess. Should have brought some buckets. Where'd my wife go? There, no? Where did my wife go? There she is in the shade on the phone. Cat! What are you doing? Jump! Okay. You gonna go in the water too? Alright, be careful. Stay in the shallow water. What time is it? It's 20 after 11, so we gotta go soon. I gave her a bottle before we left.